So today we're having our last review for math. We have our STAAR math tomorrow, but we brought in some of our best math teachers we've ever had. So of course, my mom is back. Miss Trautman's here today working with our 6th graders with Miss Ana Luna. We also have Mr. Montelongo come in. He's our 7th grade superstar. He's over there pushing those kids when it comes to probability. And we have Miss Rubio, who just retired in December, come back to do 8th grade math with Miss Karen Martinez.
So how many X's do we have?
We're in the middle of our math STAAR review right now, and I am so excited because, you know, we were trying to think about our STAAR Blitz, so I reached out to all our retirees. Miss Trautman, recently last year we had Miss Trautman, Mr. Montelongo, and Miss Rubio retire, right, our math giants. So I reached out to the family, right, and I'm like, hey, we need help with our math STAAR review. Are you guys open to it? And without a doubt, this week we have all our math retirees that stepped in, volunteered their time, and they're in the classrooms right now.
When it shows that sign together, it means it's got to be greater than or equal to 7.
It was great to hear all of them say yes, even though I knew in my heart that Miss Trautman, Mr. Montelongo, and Miss Rubio would come back to support our kids. But it was amazing to see that and to see the welcome the kids are giving them and the excitement in them still. Once you're a teacher and always a teacher, as cliche as it is, the excitement they still have in them, the excitement from the kids to just hear it differently. And it's been great walking in and seeing the kids say, hey, my brother had you, Mr. Montelongo. My mom had you, Miss Trautman. Miss Rubio, you had my older brother. Like, it's been an amazing experience just to see the kids connect with them. And, you know, I can't wait to see these scores because I know they're making their last push that only a veteran teacher can do.
Who would have thought that all our retirees would come out of the woodworks, come to our school, and we come back together as a family to get these kids prepared. And that's just really our superpower, and I couldn't be more proud. There couldn't be more orgullo, right, on my end. I'm without words for just the community and family. That's what Fabens is all about.